Thoresby.
This is looking good. This is better.
This is the baby we took.
Hey, the people around the come on, if you've got a car out there that's 1960 to 69, in. It might be something different, it might be dead standard, but let's bring it in the arena and let people look at it.
Nice.
Let me look at it. The judge will look at it.
Here we have. Yeah, these lot are doing it right. Got the bacon on the go. That's what I'm talking about. Raleigh spec.
So what we've done is made a goal for like an Air Max.
Yep.
No, sorry, not an Air Max.
When did you last see a GSI2000, one of these?
No, you don't. Basically what I drive around all the time, this is.
Yeah, but it's a drivable car, isn't it?
Yeah.
It
I
is.
was daily in it up until a few weeks ago.
You just not seen old Cavaliers.
No,
And I can't remember last time I saw a GSI2000. Because they've got to be all put away now in collections.
Yeah. I'd be using this out there. Out in the snow doing donuts in it. It's got a lot of transfer box in it as well, so it's permanent for. It goes around well.
Ah, they did. They did. But you just don't see them anymore, do you?
Oh, you don't.
No.
Appreciate it, though. RS2000. Oh, that's a job and a half. Fucking did well on that, don't you think, mate? Fucking did well on that, mate. Oh. Nah, that is a motor. I think you just like a good old booter. That's a beautiful one. This one. Oh. Oh, your cheek was in it then, love.
Was it?
Yeah, no, it's not just your cheek. It's alright, represent that cheek. Be like, yeah, my cheek's out, yeah.
Famous.
S2000. Oh, a minute. And a piston getting up. Oh, he's won awards, East Midlands. Big up yourself there. He's in appreciation. Oh, that's him there holding his trophy. That's you, yeah. You're a good lad, you, mate. Keeping cars alive. Oh, yeah, that's the shot right there.
You're about to see an absolute shit ton of Z cars.
840 Ci, that's the proper one there.
Look how many Z3s and 4s.
And now this is a meeting of Z cars. If you want to go sleep, go over here, catch some Zs over here. The size of that intercooler though. How big is the turbo on that?
It's like an ironing board.
Oh, it's beautiful though. You got free sweets from her?
Yourself, free sweets.
What? Grab one. Free sweets. If you see this now, big up yourself. Free sweets, grab one. What we got? What we got? Let's show a lot of favourites. There's you want one of these? Fancy one? What do you want? Love heart. Candy man, what you want? Shot in candies. I'm shotting candies. 3 for 25 and that. You just take one free in it. So. Which colour? No, there's not. There's a Coke one though. Yeah, I love that one. Right, big up yourself. You appreciate it out here. Getting the money shot. Oh, that's that money shot right there,
Josh,
baby.
yeah.
With Josh, yeah, he makes the whole photo.
I need royal emissions for that, you know.
Royal emissions. Right, we'll get in contact soon. My lawyers will get involved. Someone's brought his unfinished project. E-Type make the dark on round. Sweet. With the Astra over there. Yeah, we've got the shoe with the shit on it. Oh shit. And the cause. to say. Oh. Oh, dear. We got the Cosette. So you got it.
Side, that side, wheels.
Yep. RS Turbo. About to drive off.
Send it. This is the one off Dream Car giveaways. Look at the air freshener in the middle. It's Dream Car giveaways, isn't it?
Oh wow.
That's spoiler.
The whale tail.
You know, they designed it with 3 originally.
Yeah.
3 lips. They told them to cut costs, so I've got to remove a lip out.
Really?
Yeah. The guy who designed it wanted it a lot more extravagant than this.
Yeah. Fuck, you know what's happened to it, look. Airbag's blue. Oh, no safe in there, no one's died. It was like airbags are gone, innit?
When I was a kid, I just sit on top of here and pick all these foam bits. Get torn off like.
You're putting value off it. You didn't know that car would be worth 15 odd grand later on. Lovely Mark II.
Fishnet Recaros. They're rare sea sale, you know.
Fishnet Recaros.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, ooh, they're clean as well, you ain't.
5 or something.
Oh. You're right, lad.
That's,
Oh, we've been mentioning rear ends today, yeah.
yeah. Well, that's got a battery on it.
Oh, that's a big one, isn't it? Long one. So how many mils is this then? If it's real.
Well, I know a 250, which is just like that, sold for like $25 million or something.
Whoa.
But I don't know if this is a.
Is this Maserati these? Don't these have the phones in or something? No, he's not got that mobile data and that.
You see the hole where it should be.
Yeah, he's not picking up right now, it's not about. He's got the top down and the drop down. Oh dear, we. Ah. Ooh. Oh.
Windows right now, don't they?
Oh lord. Oh my.
Yeah, they're not bad. Are they? How you doing? You alright?
Should have brought another clean pair of pants, don't you think? Oh lord.
I love what it
Oh,
like doing
Lord.
windows. What's a Japanese tape cassette?
Japanese tape, what, got Japanese tape?
Originally,
Oh man.
Got some anime playing for it.
So what's this then? The original Skyline engine?
Yeah, basically.
Oh, that's that money shot.
1980 to 1989.
Oh, special entry.
Yeah, mate.
Lovely.
Can we get them both in at the end, Keith? Somewhere?
That's how you do it.
We can get another one at this end. So if one of the escorts, the blue escort,
Three little thing.
Oh, the little, is
Yeah.
there? Oh, the little plaque or the...
That plaque that you get
Little
for
plaque.
being here.
Yeah.
Oh, lovely. Oh, lovely.
Marcus,
Cav on the stand.
sports car, Vauxhall.
Nothing but the real shit presenting. Niggas are tested, that's no question. Once again, back in the house, once again, live the life, get dollars and guns, and now just boom that. Like a big sample, homestead. All about the bomb, but sick and tired. Ugly fake freaks need to retire. You got backfire out shit. It's real life, you think not? My crew, kings of New York, who taking your spot. I put the slide on you like me.
Can't get game.
Can you not? Can you not? Oh shit. We got a gearbox down, man.
Nice.
Fuck, I ripped off your front bumper.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Oh man. Anyone got any tie wraps? Pulled over the grass. Just took the front bumper off the GSI2000, man. Oh.
It wasn't mounted to the chassis apparently.
Watching a fucking tractor on top, we want to get out.
Does that happen a lot?
What a place to break down though, eh? That is the scene right here.
Would it be an idea to push it out away first? Then push it in there first. It's quite good, this.
Deep in the trenches. Oh man, the gearbox is just committed suicide.
Monkey mechanics.
So you've got the angry locals. Yes, lad. That's what we like to see.
Not none. It just nothing.
Good lads, it's still going. They're still going. Oh, he's getting the big boys out. He just carries them.
I've got an E30, fucking need.
You're asking for trouble when you carry tools.
Yeah, I've never carried tools. I just carry my phone with people's
this is a
numbers in.
good
Got
area.
tools. It's select every gear.
Yeah.
That's the gears, isn't it?
It's just not.
It's just
folded
not
down.
mounted, yeah.
Okay.
A bit more like to drive.
So you've been gear shifting so bad you've ripped it off its fucking shit in
Doing them Dom Toretto shifts, ain't you?
Yeah, see that? More fucked up the gear stick. No, yeah, DMO shifting.
You can drive, but you have to change the gear like this.
You have to be careful.
You have to like hold it as you're doing it.
I need 3 arms.
What's that? Your front bumper? Probably gonna fall off. Oh man.
Living in you organize thing. You religious when you sin, fucking with the mob. Infamous, so